there, year is there, or anything related to something special like pollution, environment, globalization, we have to underline that word. Then accordingly we can find in the on that paragraph date also we can
Yeah,
underline,
yeah.
name. So
So
and second,
how
and
about scan passage or keywords?
so we can most of the time we can find through names, year, or or specifically that word, like few words are which is already in the question, so we can check it out. जल्दी जल्दी से we can check it out ना कि
Quickly we
वो
can
word वहाँ
find.
पर है या
Yeah.
नहीं.
So the point is, if you find question number 3, then question 4 is right after, and 2 is
After,
right before.
before,
That's
yeah.
what we should understand. We should analyze because we are doing in order question. So it's clearly stated that it is in order IELTS reading question strategy. No. Okay. So apply specific question strategy, which I'm going to disclose ahead. We'll unveil it. Okay. So let me just resume forward with it. Wait a moment. Yeah. So of course, these are the not in order questions: paragraph location, matching, or classify, or pick 2 or 3. Okay. That means we need to attend them in the end. Okay, not in the beginning. Now, talking about the in order, not in order reading strategy. Please go ahead. Who will read this? Satakshi, can you?
Yes, ma'am. Not in order, IELTS reading questions, underline or highlight keywords. This identification process is normally easier with these question types. So, what this state is that we have to highlight the keywords. It could be the name of the year, or the name of an era, or a particular person or a place, followed by scan passage for keywords. The question are out of the order, so the language of question 1 could be in paragraph 4, or the language of question 2 could be in paragraph 2. So it implies that since it's not in the order, so it might be possible that the question 1 answer could be placed in paragraph 2nd or 3rd, and the reverse could be the case.
Yeah, so it can be topsy turvy the other way around, right? So we need to be very mindful, and that's how we require deeper analysis. For deeper analysis, it is always recommendable that please you should follow the initial strategy in order questions. So by the time you are done with the exploration of the paragraph, then you are able to answer this part specifically in a better manner. Okay, all right. Now,
Apply space.
short answer. As you were asking, Shobha, you were asking this question that, ma'am, how would the short answer question would look like? Let me just zoom it up for you so that you get clarity. I am unable to zoom this, but yeah, it's like there is a question which would state that please write not more than 3 words, 2 words. So this is the question, like what type of this fell rhinoceros fell in number to below 100. So you need to state the answer. It can be 1 word, 2 word, no more than three
So
words
these
and the
are in
number.
order questions, these are in order.
In order questions. Okay. Another one is fill in the blank. What is fill in the blank? Like you have it right in front of you. Like there's a question having blanks. So how you need to follow? You need to do the scanning. Scanning would be done in a technique that you need to underline the keywords which are just prior to your blank as well as immediately after that. So the one which follow it and the one which is prior to it, that you need to underline and identify the synonymous language in your passage. Okay, it makes sense to all of you, right? Okay, now I am resuming forward with yes, no, not given. So the question would look like this, in which they would be giving you options. Okay, these are the statements. Now, I stated the example in one of the classes yesterday. Let's say I stated that Lisha is having ice cream. Okay, Lisha is having ice cream. So that is there in the question as well as in the passage that she is having ice cream. So that means it is true. But let's say in the question it is saying Lisha is having ice cream. But in the passage it is Lisha is having croissant. What is croissant? Croissant जिसको बोलते हैं आप लोग croissant. Okay, so Lisha is having,
Croissant.
okay, croissant is the pronunciation. So that is something which is different, right? आइसक्रीम लिखा है और वहां पे croissant बोल रहा है. So that is something which is false. But if In the question, it is written that Lisha is having ice cream, but it is nowhere mentioned in the passage that Lisha is having what? Nowhere mentioned. That means it is not given. People generally tend to get confused with these question types. Of course, it is not that easy as it is sounding. Okay, it is always easier said than done. कहना बहुत आसान है, करना मुश्किल है. But this is the generic example I could give to the beginners out here. Okay, now moving on to the second one, which is you can clearly see there are wide variety of options available in front of you. What will happen in multiple choice? Like it happens in listening, they will give you identical language you will be able to trace, but please mark for the special words. What are special words? Like कहीं पे note लिखा हुआ है, कहीं पे note this, okay, specifically this. So yeah, Shagun, please go ahead. You asked some question, or was it by mistake?
Yeah, I want to ask you MCQ. I've not seen in the general type,
Yeah,
general
it's not.
reading.
Yeah, it's not evident there. But I am doing this generic one, so I
Name
am
like
just
it
telling you.
comes or not? I'm just
It
confused.
is not that frequent. No. Okay,
Okay.
I'm going to share a list with you, a screenshot with you. What is the exact difference of ICE, general as well as academic reading? So what kind of questions come, you'll have clarity. Okay?
Okay, because I find it very tough.
Yeah,
Please
yeah,
do share
I'll
with me as well because my
I'll
exam is also
share with
GT.
all of you. It goes without saying. Okay. Otherwise, what I'll do is I'll project in the tomorrow's class. Okay. Let me resume with this subject matter, and then I'll resume it tomorrow. Okay. All right. But good that you came up with this point, Shagun. Okay. Next is flowchart question. What are flowcharts? Some flow ongoing and there are blanks. So of course something which is in the flow would definitely be in order question. How about list of headings? Heading question is something which people might struggle with initially, but they don't know that it's very easy to solve. Very easy to solve, as in there's a strategy behind. आप heading का people, those who have done training, there are 3-4 students out here who have already done the training, so they know कि heading में you need to find out the question or the like heading in the first paragraph, in the first line of the paragraph. But you know what? There's another strategy to it. आपको spot करना है सबसे छोटा passage, सबसे छोटा paragraph where you can spot the answer. So that's how you will be able to eliminate one heading. Okay, and you will be left with lesser options, thus leading to lesser confusion. Clear? मैंने क्या बोला? It's not clear. I am coming all over again. होता क्या है? Here you need to give the heading to a passage. ये आएगा. Okay, पूरा passage है, पैराग्राफ लिखे हुए हैं, एक पैराग्राफ को एक हेडिंग देना है, राइट? अब जब आपको एक पैराग्राफ को एक हेडिंग देना है और हेडिंग आपके क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है कि ये वाली हेडिंग्स है, आप मैच करो कौन से पैराग्राफ में कौन सी हेडिंग अच्छी जा रही है, इट इज सूटिंग वेल. तो आप क्या करोगे इसके अंदर? आप सबसे छोटे वाला जो पैराग्राफ है उसको पिक करोगे पूरे पैसेज के अंदर, क्योंकि छोटे वाले पैसेज की हेडिंग स्पॉट करना सबसे आसान होगा. करेक्ट? यू अग्री विद मी? यू कंकर दैट? सो जब आप पैसेज की हेडिंग को आप ग्रास्प कर ले रहे हो, तो वहां पे एक हेडिंग जो मिल गई है वो हट गई, ऑप्शन में से एलिमिनेट हो गई, तो आपके पास लेस ऑप्शन बच गए. लेस ऑप्शन बच गए तो लेस जगलिंग हो गई माइंड की. करेक्ट? तो हमें अपने माइंड को इतना ज्यादा हार्डवर्क नहीं कराना पड़ेगा. ऑलराइट, इसके लिए भी ट्रिक है. जो आपको जनरली आपके हेडिंग के अंदर क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे वो कहाँ मिलेंगे? आइदर इन द फर्स्ट लाइन और इन द लास्ट लाइन. On priority basis, it will be generally in the first line. Okay, first line as in first or second line. But अगर नहीं मिलता है, then you can find it in the last line. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है? Many students from different batches they come up and say, मैम मेरे को तो एक क्वेश्चन मिला, उसमें तो बीच में से था heading. Yes, definitely, it's very normal. हो सकता है, but I am disclosing the strategy which will fit well in 80% of the cases. I cannot devise 100% strategy for a question type, right? So हम लोग क्या follow करेंगे? जो हमारा 80% टाइम बचा दे, सेफ गार्ड कर दे. That's what we will follow. Clear, everybody? All right. Now, फिर होगा sentence completion. Like half of the sentence is written, you need to complete the sentence. Then there is another summary. So summary can be either in order or not in order. ऐसे table होगा. Table क्या है? Oh, it's not stated here. Table would be like something which is mainly in order. It can happen कि table में क्या पता in order नहीं भी आए. So this is paragraph, location. So I'm gonna make you cover all these question types. So what we are going to do next, I'm gonna depict this this reading passage which I recently changed, and I recently brought new things into it. So I'm gonna quickly showcase it to you, and then you'll start solving. Okay, and we will observe all these question types. Wait, please.